Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your name in Agoda. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this process. At first, you just simply have to open your Agoda application into your phone or any of the device. Then after opening the Agoda application, you just simply have to tap into this more option at the bottom right. Then from there, you just simply have to tap into host on Agoda Homes option at the top. Then after tapping into there, you will get to see so many options into this section. You just simply have to tap into this profile option at the top right, and after tapping into profile you will get to see add change profile photo option and name below that option. Just simply select the name that you want to change, and after that erase the name, enter a new name that you want to set into this page. And after doing all this, you just simply have to go to bottom and click to this save button. Then after that your new name will be saved into Agoda. This way you can easily change your name into Agoda. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.